Hello po muli. Auditory diagnosis pa rin po tayo, sneezing. Sneezing. Definition. A sneeze is an automatic convulsive expulsion of air from the nose and mouth. In TCM theories, sneezing is the sound caused by lung chi suddenly flowing upward through the throat and nose. It is a clinical manifestation of yang chi that is stimulated to raise up two pathogens. So kaya pala tayo nag-sneeze. Yun. Tatanggalin yung mga pathogens na pumapasok. Sneezing is not only a pathological change, but a response for self-protection. The Divine Pivot, chapter 28, points out that when yang chi is harmonious and sufficient, it fills the chest. When it arises from the nose, this is sneezing. Pathomechanism, there are two causes of sneezing, one being due to exogenous pathogens attacking the lungs and the other due to insufficient lung chi. So, dalawa po yung cause, no? When exogenous pathogens attack the lung, yang is stirs up to push the pathogens out. When the lungs chi suddenly flows upwards through the nose and throat, this causes sneezing. So when the lung chi is insufficient, the nose loses nourishment and this causes obstruction or abnormal sensation. So the yang chi is then stimulated to flow upward and race against the pathogenic factor if it exists, resulting in sneezing. Kaya mahalaga pag nag-hatching po, nagtatakip ng ilong kasi nagtatanggal nga yung katawan natin ng mga pathogens. Siyempre pag sa ano, baka mayroon tong virus, bacteria, pag sa modern medicine. So, ayan po yung ating diagram. Paano nagkakaroon ng sneezing. So, pag may mga exopathogens, yung mga galing sa labas na nagiging sanhi ng sakit. So, ang gagawin po ng katawan, yang chi is stimulated to brace up against exopathogens. Yun. So, then, lung chi suddenly rushes out through nose and throat. Ipoprotect niya yung katawan para pumasok yung mga dahilan ng sakit. Yan. Kaya sneeze tayo. Then, nose, pag may lang chi deficiency naman po, mahina ang baga mo. So, ang gagawin ng ilong, nose lose nourishment. Pag mahina ang baga, yung ilong natin na magpuprotect ay nose is obstructed or has abnormal sensation. Nagkakaroon din po ng abnormal sensation kaya nag-sneeze tayo. And then, clinical significance po nito, the sound of the sneezing can help one assess thermal nature of pathogenic factor as well as the state of anti-pathogenic chi. Yun, sa hatching lang malalaman natin. It is also help in forming prognosis for disease. Tingnan po natin next topic. Interesting to. Hatching lang, malalaman mo. So, yun po yung mga symptoms and indication. Pag hatching, pag acute onset, constant loud sound. So, ang ibig sabihin puro nun, may heat or excess condition na pumapasok sa katawan nyo. Ipoprotect ng katawan, kaya hatching ka. Pag chronic frequent attack, soft volume, yung hatching ng hatching, yun po ay may lung chi deficiency. Pag sudden sneezing in critical stage of chronic illness, yang chi recovery. So, improvement in disease state. Yun. Sneezing due to external stimulation, normal daw po yun. So, yun po yung mga sign of sneezing. In acute cases, sneezing is always due to invasion of wind, which may be either wind cold or wind heat, although the former is more common. So, the sneezing is accompanied by aversion to cold, shivers, fever, body aches, and floating pulse. Other manifestation depend on whether the cause is wind cold or wind heat. Pag chronic po yung sneezing, ito po ay sign ng allergic rhinitis, which sabi nung author, in my experience, usually occurs against a background of lung qi deficiency and kidney yang deficiency. So sabi ng author, sa kanyang opinion, there are also will be deficiency of the kidney defensive qi system, as well as of the governing vessel. In such cases, sneezing is accompanied by allergy to house dust, mite, or pollen. Magkakaroon po ng itchy nose, tiredness, sweating, slight shortness of breath, pale tongue, and weak pulse. So summary po natin, pag may invasion of wind, sudden onset po yung sneezing natin. Then ayaw po natin ng cold, merong shivers, fever, floating pulse. Pag deficiency naman po yung lungs at saka kidney, defensive qi system, nagkakaroon ng allergies, nagkakaroon ng itchy nose, tiredness, sweating, slight shortness of breath, pale tongue, weak pulse. And karaniwang pag-involve yung kidney, yung pagtaas ng paghinga mo, hirapan siya. Full. So, invasion of wind din po yan. Pag acute sneezing po, then aversion to cold, nagkakaroon ng fever, may body ache, then may occipital headache, floating pulse, other manifestation depend on whether it is wind cold or wind heat. So, acupuncture po natin ang lung 7, large intestine 4, triple Barner 5, bladder 12, pingmen, and bitong. Yan. Kung nagsisimula pala, madali pa yan tanggalin pag acute. Empty, lung qi deficiency. So, pag chronic na po yung sneezing, nagkakaroon na siya ng allergy to household dust mites or pollen, nagkakaroon siya ng itchy nose, mabilis din itong mapagod, slight shortness of breath, slight cough, weak voice, spontaneous daytime sweating, dislike of speaking, bright white complexion, propensity to catching cold, tiredness, dislike of cold, pale tongue, empty pulse. So, kailangan po ninyong i-acupuncture ang bladder 13, dew point of lungs. Then, lung 7, run 12, run 6, high, and bitong. After po niyan, alam nyo, talagang nagkakaroon ng lakas yung pasyente. Yung mga karanasan po namin, kahit minsan nga, ano mo lang, i-bentusa mo Yun, laking tulong po. Itong mga points na to, pwede rin pong ipipressure mo. Kidney yang deficiency. So, pag involved yung kidney, nakakaroon din ng sneezing. Then, allergy din po siya sa house dust mite, o may mga pollen ng bulaklak. Then, mas worse po ito pag mayroong sexual intercourse. Yan, kasi kidney, di ba, yun ang na-affect pag may sexual intercourse. So, nagkakaroon po ng lower back pain. Yan yung mga natin, signs. Cold knee, sensation of cold in the lower back, feeling cold, weak legs, bright white complexion, weakness, tiredness, lassitude, clear urination, scanty clear urination sa masagabi pa, Then may apathesia, may edema of lower legs. Nakakaroon ng infertility sa women. Then loose stool po siya, may depression, pwede may impotence or premature ejaculation. Low sperm count po ito, then may cold and thin sperm. Decrease din po ang kanyang libido. Then, ang kanya pong tongue ay pale and wet. Pag pinulsan nyo ay deep and weak. Yan. Tusukan po natin ang bladder 23. Dew point of kidney. Then kidney 3, kidney 7, run 4, run 6, small intestine 3, bladder 62, and governing vessel. So, clinical note po. Remember, sneezing is due not only to the lack of diffusion of lung qi, but also to the deficiency of kidneys, defensive qi system. In addition, the governing vessel is involved because it runs through the nose. So, itong organ po yung mga involved, and vessel. So, yun po, nakatulong po sana sa atin yung pagkilala sa pakikinig sa sneezing. Thank you po.